For my parents' 25th wedding anniversary, they decided to spend 6 weeks in Italy. So here's my trip, joining them in the middle 2 weeks. I hope you enjoy.
Beauty queen of only 18, she has some trouble with herself. He was always there to help her, she always belonged to someone else. I drove for miles and miles and wound up at your door.
After 36 hours of travel, I arrived in Verona. And whilst I only had an afternoon to spend in this beautiful city, I really enjoyed it, and it was a great introduction to Italy.
I don't mind spending every day out on your corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with the broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will be loved. And she will be loved, and she will be loved, and she will be loved.
The next day, we drove down to Cinque Terre to spend a few nights in Manarola.
Tap on my window, knock on my door. I wanna make you feel beautiful. I know I tend to get so insecure. It doesn't matter anymore. It's not always rainbows and butterflies. It's compromise brings us alone. My heart is full of my door's always open. You come round anytime you want. But I don't mind spending every day out on your corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with the broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will be loved, and she will be loved, and she will be loved, and she will be loved.
Thank you so much for watching part 1 in my Italy 2017 series. I shot a lot of footage over in Italy, and I'll be making several more videos to come, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much.